Okay, these are our condensing units, number 1 and number 2. They're pretty easily labeled. Okay. I got still images of this, but these are our data plates. This home is 1 year old, maybe. Another data plate. Again, I got still images. We've got anti-theft Schrader valve cap covers. They're rated at 14.5 SEER, but there's a little asterisk here, and if you go down, it says energy efficient ratio system is a minimum SEER, minimum EPA, excuse me. Where was my asterisk? I'm just fumbling along here, bud. Range of similar models. Seasonal energy. Your air conditioner's efficiency rating may be better depending on the coil your contractor installs. That's what I was looking for. Okay. But we're advertising 14.5 here. It's here. 1.5 tons, 4 tons. Schrader valve caps. Okay, what we don't have, check this out, we do not have the right kind of insulation on our low pressure refrigerant pipes. Painting the old insulation does not protect it from the UV rays. All this paint expands and contracts, it cracks, gets loose. This is a little better, very little better, not better than if they would have just left it alone. No, it's supposed to be a thick, sheathed insulation coming down here. The wrong type of insulation was used to insulate your condensing units, your HVAC cooling system condensing units, low pressure refrigerant line piping. Coming over here into the main electric service panel, we learn that our units are properly fused. Now this is the service receptacle, so the technician can run vacuum pumps and stuff. Maybe he wants an electric welder, I don't know. Screw guns, vacuum pumps. Coming over here, but what do we learn about this guy? We learned that we've got reverse polarity, so I cannot check the GFCI mechanically. I can test it. We can't test it electrically. I can test it mechanically. And we got a break from our sponsor.